Namaskar. So today we will discuss about festivals of India. So as a part of a feast for the starving mind. So today I am going to discuss about the festivals of India. You might have heard that is how festivals bring new energy, enthusiasm and also becomes a driving force for the people. During the freedom struggle, how Bal Gangadhar Tilak started Ganapati Utsav and Shivaji Utsav. So these are all because festivals bring people together, unify the people, and also helps in conserving or preserving our culture. So let's have a look on the festivals of India as a part of a feast for the starving mind. Here we go. Important festivals celebrated in and around India. Ganesh Utsav, Maharashtra, whereas Durga Puja is celebrated in West Bengal, means primarily, whereas Bonalu, a festival of Telangana, Sagadawa, that is festival of Sikkim, Rath Yatra and Raja, both are important festivals of Odisha, whereas Chhat Puja, in which the woman they pray to the setting sun. So that is important festival of Bihar, whereas Chapcharkut is an important festival of Mizoram. Kharchi Puja of Tripura, whereas Pongal, Tamil Nadu, Gangaur, Rajasthan, and Lohri, a festival of Punjab. Lai Haroba is a prominent festival of Tripura. The craft mela, when we talk about Suraj Kund in Faridabad district of Haryana, is famous for the Suraj Kund crafts mela, whereas the prominent town in Odisha, the Puri, is famous for Puri Beach Festival. We also have in Assam Brahmaputra Beach Festival, whereas the world's largest congregation of people is Kumbh Mela, which is held once in every 12 years. Once in every 6 years, Ardha Kumbh Mela. Once in every 12 years, Kumbh Mela. And once in 12 into 12, 144 years, Maha Kumbh Mela is held in Prayagraj, that is Allahabad. Carnival is a prominent festival of Goa, whereas Ran Utsav, or also called Kutch Festival, is a prominent festival from Gujarat. Now, New Years are also like the festival season. As January 1st, all around the world we celebrate as the New Year, but in India, different states they celebrate the New Year on different names. It is Baisakhi for Punjab, that is, Baisakhi is the new year for the Punjabi people, whereas Bestu Varas is for Gujarat New Year, Bohag Bihu is the new year for Assam, Cheti Chand is the new year for Sindhi people, whereas Deepavali or Diwali is celebrated as the new year by the Marwadis. Gudi Padwa is the new year for Marathi people, whereas Losar festival is the new year for the Ladakh region people. When it comes to Sikkim, it is Losung is the new year. For Kashmir, it is Navreh is the new year. Puthandu is New Year for Tamil Nadu. Pohela Boisak is the New Year for West Bengal. And Ugadi is the New Year for Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, and Karnataka. Visu is the New Year for Kerala. So these new years are also the festivals clear in different states. Now coming to the dance festivals of India. So the most famous dance festivals of India are Konark Dance Festival, which is celebrated in Konark near Puri, whereas Khajuraho Dance Festival is celebrated in Khajuraho. Elephanta Dance Festival is celebrated on the island of Elephanta off the sea from Mumbai, whereas Ellora Ajanta Dance Festival is celebrated at Aurangabad. Hampi Dance Festival is celebrated at Hampi in Karnataka. Surya Dance Festival is celebrated in Tiruvananthapuram, Kerala. Other popular dance festivals in India are Modhera Dance Festival at Modhera in Gujarat, Mamallapuram Dance Festival in Mamallapuram, Tamil Nadu. Nisagandhi Dance Festival is held at Tiruvananthapuram, and Natyanjali Dance Festival is held at Chidambaram. These are prominent dance festivals. Now, India is also a land of tribals. So, some of means very few tribal festival names include Adi Mahotsav, which is National Tribal Festival, whereas Samaka Saraka Festival is from Telangana, Baneswar Festival is from Rajasthan, Sarhul Festival, it is another tribal festival from Jharkhand, and Hornbill Festival, which is most famous festival in the northeastern part of India that is held in Nagaland usually. Beside this, we also find music and arts festivals. Now we have Taj Mahotsav at Silpagram, Agra in UP, whereas Tansen Music Festival at Behat in Gwalior, Kalidas Festival in Nagpur, Dharani Kalotsav at Kochi, Kalinga Mahotsav at Peace Pagoda Dhauli, where Asoka had won the Kalinga War and how peace clear was war was replaced by peace. Okay. Kala Ghoda Arts Festival that is held at Mumbai, and Zero Festival of Music is held annually at Zero, that is a place in Arunachal Pradesh. Now, famous harvest festivals. Since India is basically an agricultural country, so harvest festivals include Makara Sankranti, which is held in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, besides other parts. Whereas Pongal is a harvest festival of Tamil Nadu. Onam is harvest festival of Kerala. Nuakhai is harvest festival of Odisha, and Nabanna was the harvest festival of West Bengal. Bihu is the harvest festival of Assam. Mopin is the harvest festival of Arunachal Pradesh. Auling of Nagaland, Baisakhi of Punjab, and Wangala is the harvest festival of Meghalaya. So these are some of the prominent harvest festivals celebrated in different parts of India. Now coming to some animal fairs. The most famous one is Sonpur Cattle Fair, which is one of the largest animal fairs in the world. We have that is Sonpur of Bihar, whereas Puskar Cattle Fair, which is in Rajasthan, and a Nagaur Cattle Fair again in Rajasthan. So famous cattle fairs. Whereas Kambala in Karnataka is famous for annual buffalo race. Whereas Jallikattu in Tamil Nadu is a competition where the contestants have to tame the bull. So this is Jallikattu, which is held in Tamil Nadu. That is an animal sport. Whereas Kakkur Kalavayal is a bull racing competition in Kerala. Other prominent festivals of India includes Dhanu Yatra, which is held at Baragad in Odisha. This is considered as the world's largest open air theatre. Okay, Dhanu Yatra is held in Odisha at Baragad. Whereas rooster fighting or cock fighting is a famous sport in Andhra Pradesh. Whereas Bunny festival, where the people divinely they fight with each other with the sticks. Clear, thus it is violent, but it is so famous because of religious fervor with which this Bunny festival is celebrated for the possession of the idol of God. This is held annually at a place called Devaragutta. Whereas Bulbul fight is very famous in An in Assam. Sorry, Bulbul fight is very famous in Assam. Other prominent festivals include Sangai Festival of Manipur, which is also the state animal and also one endangered animal which is usually found in the floating national park of Manipur. We have Chilika Bird Festival annually held in Chilika, that is Odisha, whereas Pelican Bird Festival is held in Andhra Pradesh, Flamingo Bird Festival again in Andhra Pradesh, Camel Festivals in Bikaner, that is Rajasthan, and what we call it as rural Olympics. Kila Raipur in Punjab is famous for the rural Olympics. So here we conclude. So please do subscribe, share and comment, and thank you for watching. Have a nice day.